Okay, so we're at locations-form, putting in the suburb. So let's go with Jeremyville 6969. I'll just use the values that you've got. Okay, so we're submitting. So this URL will bring us to the page that we've just created. And we've got to go in and edit that page. So first things first, I'm already logged into the site, obviously. We've got to activate the advanced layout editor. I'll just open that up in a new tab. So activate the advanced layout editor. First thing you need to do is update, and that will just change the layout issues, the spacing issues. If we refresh this page now, the layout of the page should be all good. There we go. Okay, so we're back. We've got our dot points all working, which is fantastic. And Jeremyville's in the right place. Our customers in Jeremyville love saving with solar. Okay, fantastic stuff. So first and foremost, you want to go in there and swap out the image that's associated with it. But most importantly, again, we need to focus on the descriptions against these images. So in this case, I'm just going to put that same image back in, but it's the description about the image that is important. Let's grab it, and that's this information over here. So Jeremyville solar panels and solar batteries. It's in Brisbane. Okay, solar battery Brisbane installation. We just want to change the title in this case to Jeremyville battery, Jeremyville solar battery Brisbane installation. Full size or gallery if it's under 800 pixels square, like that, and then we insert like so and save. So that's the image. We're just getting the search engine optimization stuff in place. Then scroll down to the Google map, and in this case we're going to look for a real suburb, obviously. So let's look at Vale. And if we click on the Google map, just kind of zoom in, just kind of find the middle. In this case, we've got Vale Road. So most suburbs will have a road named after the suburb. So in this case, we update the address. Vale Road, Vale. Just make sure you got the right postcode. Fuck it. Clicked out of it. State Queensland, of course. Vale Road, fetch coordinates. Ah, you little turd. Okay, so we'll save that, save out, and then save the page. and then we'll just go back down and see if that little jive turkey is saved or not. Okay, it looks like it's okay. Go back to the live page and just see if it's pulled in the correct data. It has not. Okay, little fucker. Right, well, Paul and Vale Road. Save it again. Okay, while that's sorting itself out, we'll scroll down to the bottom of the page and just do the Yoast SEO settings. Now we should have these settings be okay pretty much straight away, but first and foremost you've got to put the focus key phrase in, and that is solar batteries Jeremyville. Okay, so you'll see straight away one of the things is the meta description length, because we haven't got a meta description in there. That's this information here. So this is where you need to be a little bit creative, and we're looking to create a unique description against each and every suburb, and it's not as hard and shitty as it sounds. So in this case, for the best deal on solar batteries, actually, just let's get it out of the way. Let's just go solar Jeremyville. Actually, sorry, I realize I'm like stalling on this, but I thought of something. Okay. Look at the rest of the. Okay, so that should get rid of one of the red dots. Okay, don't worry about the image alt attributes, they are there. Key phrase and subheading, that's just bullshit. Key phrase distribution, fuck them, doesn't matter. We've got a lot of this stuff, which is good, and that should give us at least an orange dot. Yeah, so the SEO is okay. Now, I'm kind of okay if that's as far as it goes. Readability, those guys are just idiots. Don't worry about that. But if you want to be like completely thorough, we'll add an additional key phrase. And go in there and just have a look at key phrase and subheadings. So solar batteries, Jeremyville, solar battery, Jeremyville. Maybe just solar batteries. Synonyms. See if they let us have that. Anyway, update. At this stage, an OK is OK because we have to go back and rework all these pages anyway. So I will leave it up to you in terms of this image, whether you use the images that have been provided by Jacob, or whether you want to use the screen grab from the Google Maps. So you'll see that we've got an example of that in the back end already, which is that. I actually think that looks pretty good. And yeah, if you prefer to do those screen captures for each of those suburbs, then fantastic. The way that you would do that is just by Googling the suburb. So let's just put Wilston in, and this information here. If you click on it, it'll give you an outline of the boundaries of the suburb. This is what those screen grabs are actually of, the old version of that. So they're just a little bit more sharp nowadays. So I don't know, up to you. But that is all for now. Okay. Now, how the fuck do I stop this screen recording? There we go.